Why are plant-based diets so trendy these days? How can you make them taste better? Welcome to Tasty Food for You, and today we'll be presenting you with health benefits and 5 recipe ideas used in plant-based diets. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more healthy food facts like today. Plant-based diets have been trending thanks to their health benefits and diversity. A plant-based diet is not a one-size-fits-all diet, as many people might believe, but a different combination of diets that all have great benefits for your body and even mental health. They all follow the same basic principles that bind them together. First, as their name implies, plant-based diets focus on plants, including vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, seeds, and nuts, which should make up the majority of what you eat. They limit or avoid animal products and emphasize whole, minimally processed foods. They also exclude refined foods like added sugars, white flours, and processed oils. Plant-based diets also pay attention to where their food comes from and what quality standards are used to measure it, so many advocates for the diet also promote locally sourced and transparent organic foods. Plant-based diets are not vegan or vegetarian diets, though some meals might overlap. Those who follow plant-based diets eat mostly plants, though they are able to eat animal products, while vegetarians exclude all meat and poultry, and vegans abstain from eating any animal products. The first benefit of a plant-based diet is that it facilitates weight loss and has great effects on your health. They have high fiber content, which helps reduce blood pressure and control your weight. In fact, plant-based diets are known to improve those who want to cure obesity. Plant-based diets are heart-healthy, and even a study performed in over 200,000 people found that those who followed a plant-based diet rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and nuts had a lower risk of developing heart disease. Plant-based diets might even reduce cancer and ward off diseases such as Alzheimer's and other cognitive deficits. A study in more than 200,000 people found that those who adhered to a healthy plant-based eating pattern had a 34% lower risk of developing diabetes than those who followed unhealthy, non-plant-based diets. When following a plant-based diet, make sure to change the way you think about meat. While you can definitely still eat it, have smaller amounts every time and include whole grains for breakfast, such as oatmeal, quinoa, buckwheat, barley, and also some nuts along with fresh fruit. Try leafy vegetables such as kale, collards, Swiss chard, spinach, and steam. Finally, create your own meals based on which plants you enjoy eating the most. For example, a meal around salad is a fantastic way of designing your custom plant-based diet. Recipe 1. Build your own salad. You can start your plant-based diet by filling a bowl with salad greens such as romaine, spinach, Bibb, or red leafy greens. Add an assortment of other vegetables, along with fresh herbs, beans, peas, or tofu. Second recipe. Fruits for dessert. Eating some of the sweeter fruits out there for dessert might be a great way of avoiding refined sugars while still satisfying our innate human sweet tooth. Peaches, watermelons, and apples are fantastic ways of doing just that. Third recipe. Whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat pasta is healthy and tasty, so it's a win-win. Try dining with a whole wheat pasta with cannellini beans and peas, and a romaine salad with cherry tomatoes dressed with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Fourth place, chickpea avocado salad. Yet another fantastic and healthy salad to be featured in our recipe book. The chickpea avocado salad can be made fast and tastes just great. Make it by combining garlic, lime, avocado, and cilantro along with chickpeas. Serve it over traditional salad greens such as spinach leaves, mixed baby lettuce leaves, and arugula. Fifth place, zucchini mushroom caprese bowl. This marvelous masterpiece of a green bowl is under 300 calories and tastes like heaven. It's made with fresh zucchini, mushrooms, spinach, and basil that come together in a bowl. Save it for lunch or dinner for maximum benefits. So, what do you think of plant-based diets? Will you be trying one out for yourself anytime soon? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.